Myself Dawal Patel, lecturer in VV Polytechnic Navsari in Computer Engineering Department. I will take a lecture on pointer. So what is pointer? First we see the definition. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. That is the definition of the pointer. Generally, every variable have a self address, but in pointer it have a also facility to store the address of another variable. Suppose see in figure. Address means location of data. In our memory system there are the such a way block system. There are two variables, integer a and b. So this is integer, so it need a 2 byte. A has a 2 byte, b have a 2 byte. So when we store the variable, the such a variable is 2. It take a 2 block because every block have a 1 byte. And integer a have a 2 bytes, so it take the 2 block 1001 and 1002. Such a way b block have a it take also 2 block. So address of a is 1001. Address of b is 1003. So that is self address. Now we see pointer. Suppose integer p. It is defined by star by side the pointer p. That is the pointer p. This symbol indicate the pointer. So suppose pointer it is also integer, so it take a 2 block. Pointer p. The address of pointer p is 1005. That is self address of pointer. In definition we see that it have a facility to store the address of another variable and symbol used for define the address. Now we see how can store the address in pointer. Suppose p, pointer p is equal to an a. That indicate address of a stored in pointer. So it directly this statement indicate that pointer p indicate to a. So this thing is defined that an a, that means the address of a stored in pointer p. So when we use pointer p, it use the value of a because it stored the address of a. So suppose in example element like this 5, 7, p stored the address of a. So value of pointer p is 5 because the value of a is 5 and address of a stored in the pointer. So when we use pointer, it use the value of a. So there are three things important: and p, simple p, and pointer p. And p indicates self address. That means 1005. P indicate another address. Another address means the variable address which we store. Suppose here pointer stored the address of A, and address of A is 1001. So P indicate the 1001, and pointer P take the value of which variable which is stored. Here it stored the address of A, and value of A is 5. So here we display the 5. So 555 and P, triple P and P, simple P and pointer P. This thing keep in the mind to understand the pointer. Again I repeat, and P means set address of pointer, P means store address variable, and pointer P means value of the store address. So such a way pointer stored the address of another variable. Now we see the one simple program to understand the pointer.